this video I will show you how can you put a scale bar using ImageJ on an image you want. So I already opened the software. So what you will do, you will go to the file, open the image you want. So I want this image and I will put scale bar on this image. So I will open this image. So now I need to check properties of this image. I will go to image, click properties. So now the unit I want on this image is micrometer, but here you can see pixel is written there, so you will change pixel into micrometer, and then pixel width in this case should be 0.55, pixel height should be 0.55, and again voxel depth should be 0.55. So all set. Now if you want to continue the same setting for all your images, you will click global. So the settings will automatically be there, but I'm doing only one image, so I'm not clicking global. So press OK, and now you will go to analyze and set scale. So everything has been set here. Distance in pixel is 1.8182, which I'm happy about. Non-distance is 1 and pixel aspect ratio is 1.0 again, and unit of length is micrometer, which is what I want. Again, if you want to keep these settings for the rest of images you want, you can click global, but I'm doing only one image, so that's why I'm not clicking it, and then I will press OK. And now I want to put that scale bar with all the settings. So I will go to the tools, analyze tools, and then I will click scale bar. So here this micrometer scale bar has been appeared on my image, and the width in micrometer is 100, which I am happy. Height in micrometer is 1000, and thickness in pixel is 25. You can increase it to 30 as well. It depends on your choice, but I'm happy with 25. And again, you can increase font size as well. So if I do 50, so it's increasing as well as the bar is increasing as well. And the color, you can put any color you want. So I'm happy with white. And you can choose your background as well. If you want to put a white background, you can put any other background. But I don't want any background. And the location, you can change location, upper right, you can put on the upper right side, you can put on lower left side, anywhere you want, but I'm happy with lower right side. And then you can change the again how you want your scale bar to appear on the image. So I put horizontal, but I can put vertical as well, which is not ideal. I'm happy with the horizontal one. And then you can hide text as well, so only the scale bar will appear on your image. And then this is the font, you can change font as well. So yeah, that's it. So now the scale bar is on your image. I'm happy. I will press OK. Now I want to save this image. So first of all, I need to make this image flat. So Control Shift and F. So now I can save this image. Control S. And I will rename this image as a SB because now the scale bar is already on my image. So I have named this image as Minofluorescence SB and save. So I will close these windows. I will close this image as well, and when I go to that folder, the picture should be there. Yeah, that's all. So the scale bar has been appeared on your image, and this is how you can put scale bar using ImageJ. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you understood well, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you.